And hi, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to Today. It's Friday morning, and it's good to have you along with us.
We're going to get straight to Ian, guys. A hurricane, once again, a Category 1, and now it's targeting parts of Georgia and parts of the Carolinas.
And the storm just laid waste to Florida, causing catastrophic damage in a number of Gulf Coast communities. And now the race is on at this hour to rescue hundreds of stranded people.
To really gauge the destruction, let's just take a look at these before and after images, okay? There's a Fort Myers fishing pier, and it is absolutely devastated after that direct hit. Fort Myers Beach, there it is, just one of many, many neighborhoods and communities that have been completely wiped away.
As for where this storm is headed now, Ian is expected to make landfall once again this afternoon between Charleston and Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We've got complete team coverage. We'll start with NBC's Sam Brock. He is in hard-hit Fort Myers Beach, Florida, for us this morning. Sam, good morning to you.
Savannah, Hoda, good morning. Many parts of Florida right now reeling, but here, Fort Myers, no doubt the epicenter. Just look over my shoulder. You're seeing shredded homes. This goes on for blocks and blocks, just concrete slabs. And we are seeing boats, guys, and I'm not talking about fishing boats, yachts and charter boats overturned on the road. The death toll this morning right now is at 12 and rising. Nearly 250,000 Floridians displaced. But first responders right now are just now arriving to some of the hardest hit areas.
Nearly 48 hours after Hurricane Ian ripped through large swaths of Florida, the scene's still surreal.
5 units that are burned to the ground, but still smoking with water coming out of the ground.
The monster storm reshaping not only the landscape, but the lives of millions who call Southwest Florida home. Fort Myers beachfront property obliterated into fields of rubble. Charming Port Charlotte now underwater. Hard-hit Sanibel Island approachable only by boat. And Venice Beach, a small community popular with retirees, shredded by winds topping 150 miles an hour. This cluster of homes burned by a knockdown power line. Some neighbors stunned.
It's a manufactured home, but it's brand new. I don't think it's 6 weeks old.
Others just heartbroken.
It's really too sad for me to talk about. Thank you, guys.
The reality of a lifetime of retirement planning for this couple suddenly came crashing down.
We were across the street. We saw the roofs blowing off, but we thought possibly we were one of the lucky ones. Unfortunately, we weren't.
And the death toll, now in the double digits, though that figure is expected to rise substantially.
This could be the deadliest hurricane in Florida's history.
In Orlando, a nursing home evacuated Thursday amid rising floodwaters. Police forced to do their patrols through water-filled roads. And even in communities like Naples, where surging floodwaters have subsided, business owners are returning to stores that can't be saved.
They talk about surges all the time. We never thought that this would happen to us. We lost so much inventory.
Lives and homes battered by a relentless storm. But heroes stepping in this morning. Search and rescue efforts are ongoing. In Charlotte and Lee counties alone, more than 500 rescues so far, keeping the U.S. Coast Guard busy. Florida coming together to clean up after this devastating storm.
And President Biden says he is planning on visiting this storm-ravaged area as soon as it is safe to do so. And one note, guys, I'm going into so many communities right now and talking with grandparents whose cell phones are not working. They are just trying to reach their loved ones, and they're crying when they can't get those text messages out. I'm also getting messaged on social media from the kids and the grandkids themselves trying to reach their grandparents. So understand right now, it is a two-way street. The communication situation here is horrible, but hopefully will improve in the near future. Let me send it back to you, Savannah.
Well, I know they're working hard at that. Sam, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.